Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood Smarchitect. Welcome to my Smarchitect Shortcast. I'm going to start a new series called Age of AI, where as a part of our Dare AI Labs build out, I'm meeting multiple customers, both fortune companies and, as I call it, the unfortunate companies. So I've determined that there are 5 stages of AI different enterprises work on. Let me quickly talk you through. So the first stage is obviously AI assistant, simple, repetitive, mundane tasks that can be outsourced to AI, right? So imagine this as tracking your meeting or giving you direct input to just make your life easier. The second stage is AI agent. Here's where complicated tasks, which requires a little bit of intelligence, comes in play. For example, let's say you want to track your order status, or let's say you want to start thinking about your supply chain, or as an HR, what are some important policies that matters to me? These are collaborating with the humans, but the goal here is to think and answer and possibly automate a little bit more complicated tasks. The next one is what I would call as adaptive AI. Here's where AI learns constantly from data, from decisions, from prompts. This is a self-learning, self-healing intelligent AI. Take an example. I was talking to one of the clients and we were talking about predictive maintenance in a simple factory setup. In this case, AI becomes, I wouldn't say autonomous, but AI is constantly learning. Now, as and when it looks at your sensors, your IoT devices, what's going to happen is it's going to start predicting some of these maintenance activities within your complicated factory setting. Here's the thing. It'll constantly adapt and evolve when it's predicting as and when more data gets generated. The fourth setting becomes more of an autonomous AI. There are not many organizations that are giving AI the autonomous capability, but these are AI that operates independently with minimum human intervention, but they're constantly within that ethical regulatory guidelines, right? Self-driving cars is a good example. Yes, it is autonomous, but human is in control of the decisions it's taking many a times, right? Same kind of is what I'm seeing in the construction industry as an example, right? Autonomous trucks, autonomous cranes, yet human has control of that. The last but way out there AI is what I would call as transformative AI. This is where AI fully drives business models. There are some companies that I've seen which has AI CEOs. Their goal is actually to give AI the power, the authority, and the liberty to take decisions, yet constantly looking at new ways of optimizing their company, be it the HR team, be it the marketing team. Tell me which part of this maturity continuum are you on, and am I missing something? I'm looking forward to hearing from you more.